Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the track or input you will EQ and choosing the EQ type, graphic for fixed bands or parametric for surgical control. Once done, set the project sample rate to match your source, typically 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz, and bypass reverb or compressors so EQ changes are isolated. Make sure the plugin is inserted early in the chain. Now load a flat preset so you hear the unchanged signal. This baseline lets you judge each adjustment reliably. Listen while you boost a narrow band and sweep slowly to reveal harsh or muddy frequencies. When you find an issue, cut rather than add. Once done, set the Q, tight for resonances or loose for broad tonal shifts, because Q controls how musical the change sounds. Make moderate adjustments, typically 3 to 6 dB, and balance lows, mids, and highs in that order so the foundation is solid. Keep transitions smooth and compare to the flat baseline frequently to judge impact. Finalize by toggling the EQ on and off to /be your changes and listen in the full mix, not solo. Mixing context often reveals whether adjustments improve clarity. Apply gentle shelving boosts for air and bass if needed, then tame any peaks with a narrow cut or limiter. If things sound facey after multiple overlapping adjustments, switch to linear phase mode or reduce overlapping boosts. Otherwise, undo the last two moves and retune the cue to preserve naturalness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.